It's a different color because it's made with a different line. Left side is just standing.
Gonna make a wish.
I'll make a wish. That wish is all broken. You better get in.
Or is your first time?
First time.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Are you used to this kind of weather or not? Okay. So Valdobbiadene, Clara. Actually, it's transparent, so we can see how are the sediments. Okay. Here are the sediments. Are actually the rest of that east. Okay, has happened for beer, has happened for making whiskeys. So here is a bit cloudy. If I squeeze, but I don't, you should be here all cloudy, the wine inside. These are protein. Actually, they give softer, tender because of the CO2. The CO2 is inside, so the wine, and they love, then they stop here, they got drunk. So you need war. This is the unofficial story. But maybe the truth. And it's passing through a certain microfiltration system that, in order to avoid the sediments you saw in the bottle, they can be spirituals, all coming from different places in Italy. We keep them here ready to be used. Okay, such as the small one, the normal ones. This week we did the 9-6 liters. The shape is like a cylinder. Okay, as a normal cork, it's wider, bigger, but then when it's squeezed and pushed into the neck of the sparkling bottle, and then is kept by the special wire hood cage like this, in order to be protecting the faces, the eyes, all your enemies from this small gun here. Okay. Otherwise, we put in a cage as we did. We are refurbishing.
I would like the same disaster at home.
In the garage. Now I show you the big guys. What you saw in the cellar. An half bottle normally is this. I have a 200 milliliter bottle as well, but these ones are the 9 liters, are the biggest we did by hand. Together with the 6 liter here are smaller but heavy. Okay, so here. Okay, so it's not that small at all. The cork is bigger than normal one because inside is a bit larger. But you may know that this sparkling wine is a bit in trouble because the bottles are bigger, tougher, but they are fragile, more fragile than normal ones because they have the pressure inside. The liquid is pressing like an autoclave tank. Okay, our 9 liters means 18 bottles inside. Okay, ready to get out. This is my uncle Tom. He is like a toy. Please. So we please. Ready the bread, and we'll be. So zio vado a prendere l'acqua. Means dry, bone dry. Okay, the normal version, the most popular version is the extra dry. That means it's a bit misunderstanding, but it means off dry. So in order for sugar residual after the second fermentation, here we are talking 6 grams per liter, so a bit less here for the sparkling route, and for the XSY we are talking about 12 up to 17, so nearly the double. So if you want to be feeling comfortable in opening a sparkling bottle, just don't move the cork, the mushroom cork, but move the bottom of the bottles. Okay, like this. If it's a very cold, it could be very difficult to open it, but you see here is quite easier, like this, moving, like, and then there we go. Okay, and it's like a ceremony.
I guess we need a lot of bottles to get used to that. I just open a lot of bottles.
That's why there are a billion bottles. Yeah, a lot of practice, but it's easier to open from the top, yeah, from the bottom, instead of trying to open a cork. Okay. So we usually don't. Creamy, even if it's bone dry. Okay. For diet, this one is good because.
Pretty old osteria, as you can see from the date, 1920, from the same. Brandy sauce, or with vegetables, or with...
So when you buy the bottles,
Ok, cominciamo. Sì,
Very
adesso
tranquil, as we say in Italian. Tranquil Prosecco. Questa casa è proprio...
No, questa casa è degli anni.
Avete ancora tutti questi 10.000 partiti politici, destra, sinistra. Like in the wine language, most of the words